Segment 3. Loading Media. Loading vinyl is easy. Place a roll of vinyl or similar self-adhesive media on the roller bars behind the vinyl cutter. Make sure the pinch rollers are raised. Pull the front edge of the vinyl forward and feed it under the pinch rollers. Align the left edge of the vinyl with the black guide mark on the platen. This is a visual guide that allows you to ensure you're loading the vinyl straight so that it will track well. Once the vinyl is visible at the front of the cutter, hold the front firmly near the center. Keep one hand on the roll and back if possible and pull it taut. Then lower the pinch rollers. Use the up and down arrow keys on the MUSE control panel to advance the vinyl forward, then backward. Check to make sure the vinyl remains flat and tracks straight, parallel to the edges of the platen. If it begins to bunch under the pinch rollers or track crooked, raise the pinch rollers and reset the roll. Always make sure you feed forward a few feet of vinyl, then feed it backwards before cutting a vinyl job. This produces slack in the media behind the cutter so that it's not pulling against the weight of the roll of vinyl. Pulling against the weight of the vinyl during cutting with any roll-fed vinyl cutter can cause tracking problems and may damage the drive motors.